In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving Snell's law under refraction of light using this practice question we have here. Okay, the question we have here says if the refractive index of air to glass is 1.5, calculate the angle of refraction for which the incident angle is 30 degrees. Okay, now Snell's law is basically the second law of refraction, which states that the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for a given pair of media. So mathematically we have it to be the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for a given pair of media, where this n is the refractive index. Alright, now for this question we have the refractive index n to be 1.5. Alright, so we have the incident angle to be sine I to be 30 degrees, and we are asked to find the refraction angle. Okay, so sine R is unknown. Okay, so to get it, all you simply have to do is to substitute these values in this expression. So when you do the basic substitution, you're going to have sine 30 degrees over sine R equals 1.5. So you cross multiply. Let me clean the up. Okay, so we are going to have 1.5 sine R equals sine 30. Okay, so this will be 1.5, this one sine R equals sine 30 will give us 0.5. Okay, so divide both sides by 1.5. Okay, 1.5. So this 1.5 will cancel 1.5 here. So we are left with sine R equals 0.5 divided by 1.5. So if you divide it, you're going to have, okay, so you're going to have 0.333, and the rest of them you keep having 333 if you punch it in the calculator. So at this juncture now, remember we are looking for the value of R, the angle for the refraction. Okay, so to do that now, you divide both sides by sine to get the value of R. So when you divide both sides by sine, so this sine cancel itself. So our R, that's the angle of refraction, will now be sine inverse of 0.333. So if you punch in the calculator, it's going to give 19.45. Let me leave it at 2 decimal places degrees. So this will be the angle of refraction. Now note that, let me show you, let me clean some parts. Note in this question, the refractive index is from air to glass, that's from a less dense medium to a denser medium. Okay, now leaving the question came like this: the refractive index is from glass to air, that's from denser to less dense medium, because glass is denser than air. Okay, so it would have been this calculation. In this case, the refractive index would have been 1 over n. If the formula would have used 1 over n equals sine I over sine R. Alright, but since the refractive index is from air to glass, that's from less dense medium to a denser medium, this is the right formula for it. N equals sine I over sine how. Alright, so take note of this difference, very important. So that's it for Snell's law problem, how to do calculations involving Snell's law under refraction of light. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel about what you have learned. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Okay, that's it for this class, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my subsequent video.